this object has a hatch button, and we know the hatch has to be bounded by some objects. So in this case, although we can't see them, we know that there are two lines which form a right angle, and some other lines with rounded corners. So the rounded corners could be done using fillets on straight lines. The object has a base point, and we need to start from the base point this time. So click on the line command and type 280, 130. Press enter. Okay, so we know the base point is somewhere underneath the screen, so we use the mouse to pan until we see it. Now what we do is make sure the polar tracking is on. Again, polar tracking helps us to find horizontal lines, so when the dotted line comes up, we drag the mouse. So type 100. Don't just read off the from the screen, because it is not accurate. It's always type in the actual figure 100, press enter, and the vertical line up is 80. Press enter, move the mouse towards the left now and type 20. Press enter, move the mouse down. Now this time we do not know exactly how long this line is until we work it out. So we know that this end is 20 and the length of this vertical line is 80, so this line would be 60. So type 60, press enter, move the mouse towards the left when it's level, type this time round 80, because 100, which is the length of this line, minus that is 80. So type 80, press enter, and now we can rely on the object snap to snap to the beginning base point. Click the mouse and press enter. Okay. Now we have the outline shape, but the corners not being round. What we do is to go to the fillet command, click on that, and before we do anything we have to type the radius in. So the one of the options there is radius, so we type R on the keyboard and press enter. The first one is 8 radius, so we type 8 and press enter. Click on this line, the vertical line on the left hand side, click on that and click the one above it to form a rounded corner. So that's click, and we have one done. Press spacebar again to repeat the last command. So click on now the top line, move the mouse down to the one next to that and click. We now have another rounded corner. The third one in the middle has got a radius of 10 for the fillet, so we press spacebar again. This time we have to type R, press enter and type 10 for the radius. Press enter, click the two lines, the first one and the second one. Now we have the object completed, but we still need to do the hatching. So move the mouse to the hatch button and open up the choices for the pattern. Click on solid and move inside to the object and click. Now escape to clear the selection, and that's the object done.